In this video, I will show you how to enable FPS counter in Steam games. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. The FPS counter can be very handy to use if you're interested to know what kind of FPS you are getting in particular games. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up Steam, log into your account, and what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click on Steam up here, and then come and click onto settings. Now once you've done that and you've got your settings window opened, what you need to do is come to the left hand side and click onto in-game, just down here. And from here, if you scroll down a bit on this screen, you're going to see an option for overlay performance monitor. Now what you need to do is show the performance monitor where it says this. You can choose where to show it, whether you want that in the top left corner of the game or the bottom right, bottom center. It's all down to personal preference, but what I'm going to do is leave mine as top left. Then what you can do is come down to where it says performance detail level and click onto this to make sure it's set to FPS single value. And finally, what you can do is toggle the performance monitor key. So basically you can click onto this and press what key you want to press on your keyboard to toggle the performance monitor on and off. So for example, if I put P for performance monitor, click confirm, and every time I press P in a game, what's going to happen is the overlay performance monitor is going to pop up, which is going to show the FPS, and we can press P again to turn it off, or whatever key you've chosen as your hotkey for to turn the overlay performance monitor on and off. So that is how to enable FPS counter in Steam games. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.